Hello children, how are you all? You all are most welcome in second part of our Bambi lesson written by Felix Zelton. So let's start our part 2. Let's start with hard words and their meaning. First is commanding. Commanding means giving orders. Bounded means leapt forward. Leapt forward means jumping and moving forwards. Advanced, moved forward, आगे जाना. Twig, twig means a small branch. Gliding, gliding means moving very smoothly and softly. Diversion, an indirect path means taking a different turn here in this lesson. It means rage. Rage means got extremely angry, getting very angry, बहुत गुस्सा हो जाना. Puzzled. Puzzled means confused. Impatience. It means the feeling of wanting something to happen as soon as possible. When you want to have a cake, all of you really got very impatient to go as soon as possible to shop and buy it. That feeling is known as impatience feeling in you. Hooves. Hooves means a simple meaning of it is feet of animals. Here, deer feet is known as hooves. Snap. Snap means to break suddenly. Turjana. Amazed. Extremely surprised. To get very surprised means amazed. Pounding. Repeated and heavy striking or hitting of something. It means एक जगह पे बार बार किसी चीज का स्ट्राइक होना या कोई सी चीज एक जगह पे फील होना. Oak. Oak. Oak is a large tree which bears acorns. Acorn is a fruit. So, oak is a tree on which acorn grows. Okay? So, let's start reading of our remaining part of our lesson number 2. All of you have remembered these three characters of our lesson? Yes, this is Bambi, this is Stay, and this is Feline. Now we are started reading our lesson number 2, page 2. Page number 1 we have already covered in part 1. Then the old stag declared in a commanding voice, "We'll go together." The old stag said that, "Bambi, we will go together." "Quickly!" cried Bambi and bounded off. You know, Bambi was very excited and very impatient to reach his friend, so he bounded. I told you, he leapt forward. He started jumping and moving forward. See this. Bambi having a talk with Stake. "No, slowly," commanded the old stag in a voice that forced Bambi to obey. You know, Bambi was now in such a situation where he had to listen whatever now Stag is saying him to do. So he ordered, he commanded, "You have to move slowly," and Bambi also followed his order. "Stay behind me. Move one step at a time." The old stag began to move forward. Bambi followed, breathing heavily and impatience. "Listen," said the old stag, without stopping. "No matter how often the call comes, do not stir from my side. These are few instructions given by Stag to Bambi. He said, first of all, you have to follow me. You have to behind me. आप मेरे पीछे रहेंगे. And आप धीरे चलेंगे, एक स्टेप पहले और फिर एक स्टेप. ऐसा नहीं कि you started like jumping and running fast and then Stag start moving forward. Mombi was also moving with him, breathing heavily and impatience because first of all he was also feeling very tensed about his friend Feline, and he was very impatient also because he want to see his friend now. Then old Stag ordered him that whatever happens when we are moving forward, even if you hear calls, you don't have to go away from my side. You don't have to take any stir, means you don't have to make any movement away from me. You have to follow me. Bambi did not dare to oppose. Bambi also followed Stag. The old stag advanced slowly and Bambi also followed him. Old stag started moving forward, advanced means moving forward, slowly, and Bambi also followed him. How cleverly the old stag moved! Not a sound came from under his hooves. Student, now you are going to read that how cleverly the old stag was moving. Under his hooves, no sound is coming. आप लोग जब चलते हैं, हम कई बार आपसे बोलते हैं ना कि इतना धीरे चलें कि आपके शूज का साउंड ना आए. वो इतने अच्छे से चल रहे थे स्टैग कि उनके पैर का साउंड भी नहीं आ रहा था. Not a leaf was disturbed. Even the leaves which were on the path, even the leaves were not disturbed. Not a not a twig snapped. Even small branches were also not broken. And yet they were gliding through the thick bushes. और वो softly आगे बढ़ते जा रहे थे. They are gliding means moving softly. और वो thick bushes में से, झाड़ियों में से निकलते हुए जा रहे थे. See here, see, these are the leaves and how nicely they both are moving. Bambi is following Stag. Bambi was amazed and had to admire him in spite of his impatience. Bambi was really amazed. He was really surprised that how nicely the stag is moving. He was very impatient from inside. उसे अभी जाने की बड़ी जल्दी हो रही थी. फ्रेंड से मिलने के लिए बड़ा impatient था. But वो अंदर ही अंदर stag के इस स्वीट एंड सॉफ्टली मूव को एडमायर कर रहे थे, प्रेज कर रहे थे, अंदर ही अंदर उनकी तारीफ कर रहे थे. He had never dreamed that anybody could move like that. Actually, Bambi had not seen anybody moving so softly without making any noise, so smoothly. Several times the old stag stopped, although no call had come, and lifted his head, listening. Bambi, see here, he's listening, he is listening, he's trying to listen sound and is seeing here and there. Although no sound is coming, but he is still very cautiously moving forward, looking here and there and trying to hear each and every sound, voice, noise, whatever is coming from the surrounding, means from the nearby area. Bambi heard nothing. The old stag turned away from the direction of the call and took a diversion. जिस डायरेक्शन से आवाज आ रही थी तभी ओल्ड स्टैग ने थोड़ा सा डिफरेंट डायरेक्शन ले लिया. Bambi raged inwardly. Bambi got very angry inside. The call came again and again. At last, they drew nearer to it, then still nearer. Continuously the call was coming, come, come, and they both were going near to that direction. The old stag whispered. The old stag said very slowly, no matter what you see, do not move. Do you hear? Watch everything I do and act just as I do, carefully. And do not lose your head. Lose your head means आप ना गुस्सा करें, ना जम करें, ना कोई आवाज करें, शांति रखें और जैसा बोले वो सुने. सो ही सैड वॉट एवर हैपन, जो भी हो जाए, आप ना मूव करेंगे, आप कुछ भी सुने, लेकिन आप मेरे एक्शंस के हिसाब से ही वर्क करेंगे. You have to watch everything what I am doing and you have to follow that, and you have to be very cool, calm, and you should not lose your head. They went a few steps further, and suddenly that sharp scent that Bambi knew so well struck them full in the face. So now, slowly, Bambi and Old Stag is moving forward. As they are steps farther, and suddenly a very distinct smell means बहुत अलग सी एक स्मेल उन्हें आई. बॉम्बी न्यू सो वेल, बॉम्बी जानते थे कि ये कौन सी स्मेल है. इट वॉज स्ट्रकिंग ऑन इट्स फेस, उसके फेस पे वो स्मेल आ रही थी. ही swallowed so much of it that he nearly cried out. देखो, बॉम्बी started crying. Stag and Bambi both are feeling the smell, and then Bambi remembered something and he started crying. He stood as though rooted to the ground for a moment. आपने देखा है कैसे ट्री ग्राउंड पे अंदर तक रूटेड होता है, स्ट्रांगली खड़ा रहता है. ऐसे ही Bambi also got rooted to the ground, and he was very still and he was so quiet and he was trending very quietly at one place. His heart seemed to be pounding in his throat. It means pounding in his throat means उसे ऐसा लग रहा था जैसे हार्ट बीट he started feeling in his throat. He got like he got very frightened. He got very puzzled, confused, and the old stag stood calmly beside him and motioned with his eyes. Olstep was also there and he was very calmly looking at that, and he was moving only his eyes. It was man. अरे ये तो एक man है. See this picture? Yes, it is a man. Man was standing quite close to them, leaning against the trunk of an oak, hidden by a few leaves of hazel bushes. See this? He is leaning on the oak, and these are the hazel bushes, and he was calling softly, "Come, come." So, children, this voice, "Come, come," is not of Bambi's friend. This man is calling Bambi, "Come, come." Bambi was completely puzzled and terrified. He was very confused and got also very terrified. बहुत डर गया था, बहुत कंफ्यूज हो गया था. वो जिसे अपनी फ्रेंड समझ रहा था वो फ्रेंड नहीं, वो तो एक मैन उसे उसकी आवाज में बुला रहा था. He began to understand that it was man who was calling come come. He wanted to flee. वो वहां से flee means भग जाना चाहता था, क्योंकि now he understood कि उसकी फ्रेंड नहीं, वो एक मैन है जो उसे बुला रहा है. Be still, whispered the old stag. But what old stag said? Be still, quiet, calm. जहाँ हो वहीं खड़े रहो. Bambi controlled himself. And you know Bambi was falling sick, so he remained very quiet and he stayed at his place. Let us go back, said old Stag and turned about. So now Stag said, now turn, we will go back. They glided away cautiously, very carefully. They moved from that place. The old stag moved with a zigzag course, the purpose of which Bambi did not understand. It means he was moving like this. This is the zigzag way. He is moving. He was not moving in a straight forward way. He was taking a zigzag motion. He wanted to run fast, but the stag walked slowly. Actually, Bambi wanted to run fast, but Stag was walking very slowly, stopping and listening. He was stopping and listening the voice, whatever is coming from nearby. He would begin a new zigzag course and stop again, going very slowly ahead. वो बार बार zigzag वे में आगे बढ़ रहे थे और बहुत ही quietly and calmly, they both are moving forward. They were far from the danger spot. Now they are away from the danger of that man. If he stops again, thought Bambi, I'll thank him. Bambi started thinking that when Stag will stop, I will thank him. But suddenly the old stag was nowhere to be seen. But student, surprisingly, देखिए, the Bambi was seeing him. He is not there. He went somewhere else. So student, by this lesson, we understand that we have to follow our elders' advice whenever we fell in any danger, and in our life also, when we want to become a good person, a good citizen in our life, we always have to follow advice of good people. You all must be thinking that what happened to Stag, where he went. Children, the old stag was a noble creature whose only aim was to save Bambi from man and teach raw deer that everything might not be what it seemed. जैसा दिखता है हमेशा वैसा नहीं होता. He wanted Bambi to learn to be always alert. हमेशा alert होना चाहिए so that he could protect himself and others. ताकि जब वो प्रिंस बने तो वो खुद की और दूसरों को प्रोटेक्ट कर सके. Once he had taught Bambi the lesson he wanted, he disappeared as his purpose had been served and he had no need to be thanked. वो नहीं चाहते थे कि बॉम्बी उन्हें थैंक करे क्योंकि वो जो उन्हें सिखाना चाहते थे वो उन्हें सिखा चुके थे. सो इन दिस वे वी हैव फिनिश्ड आवर lesson. Thank you, students.